again, folks. Today we've got a package today, and I suspect this is from the awesome and lovely Fighting Lockpicker. He did tell me there was something in the post for me, so I thought we'd have a little look together as we do. He did say there was a hat in here and some stickers and a new challenge lock. He was, what he's been working on. I've seen him picking it and refining it a couple of times, although I've forgotten those now. Sisyphus, that was it. So yes, Fighting Lockpicker. Danny, my friend, that is absolutely gorgeous. I love this, and I will be wearing this on my dog walks. Obviously this time of year it's really hot over here in the UK, so I'm out like 5:30 in the morning and 9:30 when the heat's gone out of the day, walking Henry. But at that time the sun is on the horizon, so this will be ideal. Thank you so much. I shall wear this with pride, my friend. On top of that, that's right, on top of that, we've got a challenge lock from a Fighting Lockpicker. He's got a little logbook so we can record its history. All you other legendary great pickers out there can leave your mark, so when it goes back to him eventually one day, who knows when, then he's got a lovely memento from the community. It's a brilliant idea, I think. That's what I'm going to say. It's a brilliant idea. So yes, this is a keyway. It's quite tidy. This is a bit on the key. Also pretty tidy. And on top of that, little personal message on the envelope, some stickers, and a little something for your collection. Ooh, it's always nice to get a surprise. Thank you, Danny. Let's, oops, slicing the table up. Doesn't matter, it's wanked anyway. Ooh, ooh, nice little squire. Very cool. I think Dot sent me one of these recently, actually. I'll have to look into that. My memory is awful, by the way. I love my eyesight, and it comes with the age, I'm afraid. You have to bear with. And these are the all new, amazing Fighting Lockpicker stickers. Look at those. And he did say he sent me a few more, so that's how I can start building sticker packs to send out to people, which is what I like to do when I get the balls of things. Share the love, share the swag. That's what we like to do. Now, that side, I can't help but this guy's just sent me a challenge lock. So yeah, we're going to see if we can get in it. Please excuse my breathing. I'm not having a good few days. So yeah, challenge locks. I've picked a good couple of hundred. It's fair to say I've got them all recorded. I do need to actually do a video on that. Perhaps let me know if you're interested. Alright, let's get some crap out the way. And some tension is in play. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to go for TOK. There's not too much play in it. There's a bit more slop clockwise. And don't forget, if you're on your mobile phone, you can zoom in and move around if you want to just focus on the picking. So, brand new lock. I'm just going to go, I normally go from a Sparrow as a surface dev medium hook. It's got a nice point on it. That's 2, and a bit of movement. That's 3, 4, 5, clicks on 5. Right at the back. And I'm just going to double check. Also, another good video you might want to go and see, picking techniques. Obviously, when you get so far along your journey, you'll start incorporating all 3. But Runesmith did a really good video very recently on different picking techniques. So I'll share that below as well, because I think that's a really, really good video. Very informative and very well demonstrated. And you'll find as you progress as a picker, you'll start using all 3 methods in your overall technique, which is something I don't think he mentioned, but I can guarantee it. Yeah, so now I'm just feeling and checking each one by one. Lots of little clicks along the way. One of his methods. Another method was just brushing and finding one that's stuck fast. And his other method was over tension, which I don't like to do on challenge locks. To be fair, there might be some really thin spools in there, or some real thin serrated lips which you might jar and push out. Also, don't agree with breaking challenge locks really. I think that's against the principle. It's about SPPs. For me, personally, that's just my opinion. I just thought to say. So, anyway, I'm chattering too much. Alright. I may go quiet for a little bit. Talk amongst yourselves. Also, if you think you've ever said something, you can just pop your pick in. almost float picture. Here's something pop back. I feel like I'm close. Oh, look at that for a tasty false set. I thought I was just in for some crunchy endings. Oh, that's nice. That's nice, mate. Nice. Oh, a bit deeper again. I'm not going to get this because I'm not going to ruin any surprises. It kind of takes fun out of it. Oh, cheeky number one. Albert LaBelle likes cheeky number ones. Again, look at that. Nice. Nice. Onwards. I should confess as well. Oh. We are open. Oh. Nice. You can't take that away, can you? You can't ever take that away. That is a brilliant pick, Danny. Nice one. That is brilliant. I'm going to be sending something over to the Welsh lock picker very soon. I'll send this over to his way, and then it can zoom around the community, and you can start getting your collection of autographs, my friend. That is a really, really nice lock. Very, very good. Yeah, that's it for now, folks. Until next time, thanks for joining me, and take care. See you soon. Thank you, Fine Lock Picker. You're a legend.